Hey, what's up, guys? So today is New Year's Eve, and I'm out running just a few calls. Nothing too crazy. But I'm about to show you a little video of me changing out some filters, and it's nothing too crazy, but it's a little bit of a situation where I thought, maybe I could share this little tip and benefit some of the newer guys out there. Just a simple little tip an old guy showed me one time, and I've been using it ever since. So stick around. Take a look at the video, and I hope you get something out of it, all right? So here's our little tiny issue. We're going to be replacing these filters, but the problem is those filters go back there a good 4 or 5 feet beyond my reach. So not a lot we can do, but so my fix is I took a little dowel rod and I put a little hook on it. Just hook it in there, pull them out, hook them in there, pull them out. Let's get back there. Hook them in there, pull them out. Works pretty good, right? Now let me show you what to do to make it easier for the next guy. Alright guys, so what I'm about to show you isn't something that I thought of. It's not original to me. It was taught to me by an old guy, and I'm sure there's lots of people that know this trick. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape these filters together in sort of an accordion style, accordion pattern. And when you do that, you want to make sure your airflow is mismatched like this, so that when you tape them together and then you unfold them, that they all are going the right direction. And you also want to make sure you tape the correct sides so that they do fit into the filter rack the way they're supposed to. So let me set this camera down and I will show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to use foil tape because it's cold out and the clear packing tape didn't want to stick very well, so I'm going to try this. Tight. Now you'll notice I taped these two, so now they're still separate, of course. All we do is flip it around, and then we're going to tape together these middle two. Okay. So now when we install it, they're going to be connected. So let's go up to the roof and I'll show you exactly what I mean by saving the next guy some time when he goes to pull these out. Alright guys, here's our filters. Simple, right? See, and that, guys, is how you're going to save the next guy a lot more time and headache. Now, I know they make filter grabbers, and you can just make one of these homemade dowel rod filter grabbers like I had. But if you get up on the roof, or if you're, say, at a mall and you've walked 3 miles across the mall rooftop without a filter grabber, you're really going to be thanking the previous guy who changed those filters and taped them together. It's not something you have to do, but that's your tip of the day, guys. All right? Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one, all right? Don't forget to like and subscribe while you're at it.